Hello everyone, this is Shubham from gossipfunda and today I'm going to elaborate about the topic Google Boot animation in any Android device. So without any further ado, let's jump to the site. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to the Google and search for Google Boot animation. Okay, so further proceeding. Sorry for the network inconvenience. Yeah, it's as you can see it's loaded. We have to go to the second bar, this one, flashable Google Pixel boot animation. You can choose it whether you want to keep it the background white or black. Here it is. You have to go downward to look for the zip file. Yeah, here it is. I found it. Yes, this orange bar, as you can see, this orange link, we have to click on that boot animation. We want it black or white. Let's, for the guess, I'll choose for the black one. Here's a video preview for the same. Let's go for the black one. I'll choose the black one. As you can see, the site is loading and it's taking a bit time. Yes. Okay, it's downloaded in Google Drive format. Okay, that's something unique. I thought it would be downloaded in like file and I will go to file manager and then transport it. Yes, this is it. Meta and information. You can get the information about the Google Pixel boot animation in a whole in like formats of paperwork. Yes, as you can see, and there's a .com file to it. We'll go to the system and media boot animation. This was what I was looking for. Now I'll try the same in my MIA1. Let's go for it. Yes. Okay, I think there is a power button issue. Check it. Just wait a second. Yeah, as you can see, there is a restart button. I'll go for the restart one. Okay, just wait for a few seconds, then it will start its boot animation. As you can see, Google boot animation has begun. I'll fast forward it so it make you easy and won't let you shy. Okay, so as you can see, the phone has started. There's the MI logo. This is an Android One device, so I think the Android One logo will also show up. Not sure about it as I've applied Google boot animation, but I think so. Yes, I thought of it. Yes, actually it shows Android One operation because the UI inside is based on Android One. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Let me apply the password. It's taken a bit time. Android One. Okay. It's taking a bit time. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Yeah. Yes, the phone is starting. That was good. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you have understood the concept of boot animation. Do like, comment, share to your friends, and subscribe to Gossip Funda. And do put down your queries in the comment section. I've also added link in the description area. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you.